How to use Mint on desktop. First of all, open a preferred web browser and go to mint.intuit.com. If you already have an account, click on sign in at the top right and enter your login details. If you don't have an account yet, click sign up and follow the prompts to create one. Once you are signed in, you will be taken to the dashboard. This is where you can see your overall financial picture. You will find sections like cash, credit cards, loans, investment, and more. Everything updates in real time once your accounts are connected. Next, to add your bank or credit accounts, click on plus add accounts at the top. Search for your bank, sign in securely, and Mint will pull in your transactions and balances. You can link multiple accounts, and Mint will automatically categorize your spending. After that, go to the Budgets tab to set monthly limits for categories like groceries, rent, entertainment, or transport. You can also check the Trends tab for visual breakdowns of your income and spending over time. Finally, go to the Goals section if you want to save for something like a vacation or paying off a loan. And that's it. Now you know how to use Mint on desktop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.